In this video, I will show you how to create Amazon accounts. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So first, what you want to do is open up an internet browser and come across to the Amazon website. Because I'm in the UK, that's amazon.co.uk. Once you come across to here, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see there's an option here which says sign in accounts and lists. If you hover over this, you're going to get a menu like this. And if you look underneath the yellow sign in button, you're going to see it says new customer, start here. So give that a click. That's going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, what you can do is start to create your account. So what you need to do is enter your first and last name into the box here. Then you need to enter a mobile number or email address, and then just choose a password. So it needs to be at least 6 characters, and you just want to re-enter that into the box underneath. Once that's done, click the yellow verify email button. And what it's going to do is take you to a quick verification. So for myself, I need to quickly solve this puzzle to protect my account. Once you've completed the verification, as you can see, it's now asking to verify your email address. If you did enter a mobile number, alternatively, they're going to send a one-time password to your email address. So what you need to do is enter that into the box here. If you did choose to receive an email, then as you can see, this is what the email is going to look like. So what you want to do is copy the code or one-time password here, come back to Amazon and enter that into the security code box just down here. Once that's done, click the verify button, and then what it's going to ask you to do is add a mobile number. Once that's done, click the add mobile number button at the bottom, and again what's going to happen is a one-time password is going to be sent to your phone number. So again, just enter that into the box and then click the yellow create your Amazon account button. Now I've already got this mobile number linked because I've already got an Amazon account, but basically once you've done that, that's going to create your account, take you back to the Amazon website, and you should be logged in so you can start using Amazon and shopping straight away. So that is how to create a Amazon account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.